In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a strip on your Wix website. Whether you're designing your site's layout or simply need some changes, managing strips effectively can help you maintain a clean and organized design. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. First, you'll want to open the Wix editor and navigate to the strip on your site that you want to remove. If you're not familiar with Wix, a strip is a horizontal section on your website that can contain various elements, such as text, images, or videos. These strips play a crucial role in structuring content, so managing them is key to ensuring your site looks just how you want it. Once you've located the strip you intend to delete, use your mouse to click on it. You should see that the strip becomes highlighted or outlined, indicating that it is selected. This visual cue is quite helpful as it confirms you're about to make changes to the correct section. At this point, take a moment to ensure this is indeed the strip you want to remove, as this action cannot be undone directly. A good practice is to review the content on that strip to avoid losing vital information. If there's content you might want later, consider duplicating it first, or making a note of what's there before you proceed with deletion. Now that you've confirmed the strip is selected and you're ready to remove it, there are two easy methods to accomplish this. The first method is to right-click directly on the strip. Doing so will bring up a contextual menu on your screen, giving you several options related to the strip and its settings. From this menu, simply select the option that says Delete. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's an even quicker way. After selecting the strip, you can press the Delete key on your keyboard. This action will immediately remove the strip from your page. After deleting the strip, it's essential to review your changes by scrolling through your website. Ensure that everything still aligns correctly, and make any adjustments if necessary. Deleting strips can sometimes alter the order or spacing of your content, so take a minute to verify that everything looks balanced and pleasing to the eye. And if you do change your mind, remember that Wix has an undo button at the top of the editor, allowing you to revert the deletion if needed. By following these simple steps, you can maintain a crisp, dynamic, and visually appealing website. Whether you're tidying up your design or restructuring your content, managing strips effectively is an essential skill. Thanks for tuning in to watch this guide on deleting strips in Wix, and happy editing as you make your website uniquely yours.